Testing and optimizing your landing pages can boost your conversion by 300%. And yet studies reveal that about 75% of businesses struggle in optimizing their landing page. Hi, I'm Nabeel Qadeer, and this video is a beginner's guide for landing page optimization. Coming up next are 6 basic measures that can completely change your ad performance. Make sure your landing page is mobile optimized. In 2018, 52.2% of all website traffic came from mobile phones. In the past 1 year, the internet users have increased from 3.7 billion to 4.3 billion. You can do the math. It is an undeniable fact that half, if not more, of your traffic would be coming from mobile phones. When they open your ad and the text and the pictures don't line up and the CTAs aren't working properly, they get frustrated and leave. Don't weigh the page down with too much information. Keep things focused. Ideally, you should have one main objective per landing page, and everything on that page should be a step closer in that direction. All parts of your landing page should serve a specific purpose. There should be coherence between headline, offer, and CTA. The customer journey should be a well-designed pathway where one thing leads to the other. If you have a catchy headline selling one thing, and the offer introduces something completely new, you might overwhelm the visitor. These discrepancies confuse the visitor, and these should be avoided. Keep the description brief and efficient. Your purpose is not to impress with your expression or tell a story. You want to let the customer know that this product will add value to their lives. Hence they buy it. Including images and visuals for this purpose is always a good idea. You want to impart all this information without taking too much time. Hence images and infographics can do just that. Include videos and reviews. Show them how your product or service works. Build interest and understanding, and prove to the customer that it can really do what you're claiming. Most of your serious prospects who are coming there to buy, the first thing they'll do is Google for reviews. Therefore, it is always better that you show them some yourself. Include forms so you can turn your visitors into leads. This will help you remarket to them in future also. Every business needs leads. So if your forms aren't performing well, you won't get them. One thing to remember when designing forms is that you only ask things that you most necessarily need. Most people will not like to fill a lengthy form, so just keep it short and sweet. These were your basic 6 steps that ensure that you're doing justice to your landing pages. Remember, an ad can only do so much. Your landing page is where you turn your prospect into a customer.